This is how much I spent on renovations. After spending $9,500 on the furnace and $3,500 on the plumbing, it was time to start the real renovations. Next, I did the roof, which cost me $13,000. After that, I did the deck, mudroom, replaced the flooring in the small room, new flooring in the makeup nook and brand new ensuite, updated the lighting and hardware, refreshed the kitchen, dining cupboards, and painted. The total rental costs plus labor came to $15,000, with an additional $9,000 for appliances. Now, the whole process wasn't smooth. It took a total of 9 months to complete because of a shortage of skilled labor in the area, shipping issues, so many things arrived broken, and supply issues. Everything had to be ordered. All in, I spent $50,000 in renovation with a purchase price of $50,000. When I got the house appraised, it came in at $160,000.